Alright, I'm here in San Francisco. I'm charging the Cybertruck over there. And we're on this roof on top of Target because that's the only times you can get free parking in San Francisco. You have to go to like a Target or a Walmart or something like that, or like Safeway. Otherwise, you gotta pay. So we gotta go all the way down here to get down. No dog peeing here. This is a preschool or something. Obviously there's nobody here because it's Saturday. But yeah, let's go walk down. Right, I don't know if so they have some of those chargers. If they're like left open free, then you can charge at those for free. But sometimes they'll make it to where you have to, like, it locks, and only certain Tesla vehicles can charge there. They can like make it locked to the VIN numbers. So yeah, but anyways, how do we get down? Okay, I don't know how some people brought their carts up there. I think maybe they use a elevator or something. Or I don't know if that's an entrance to Target as well, but down there, long walkway, and it's really windy. I don't know if you can hear it, if this phone picks up the wind, but it's very windy. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So the entrance is there, the restrooms is just right here. Alright, no wonder why parking can be free. See, they have all these shopping areas, Subway, Chipotle, and all of this. That's why. Anyway, so we're going back upstairs. Coming up, they have all these bike racks as well. But the second and third floors, or the upper floors, all look dead. So they're like there, look. I don't know. And this place is all boarded up. It's starting to sprinkle a bit. I'm gonna try those chargers in a bit just to see if they let me charge my vehicle, because that'll be cool. Alright, so we're gonna unplug. I was charging at the 72 kilowatt because I didn't need to charge fast, but they do have 250 kilowatt chargers as well, and we're gonna try the free ones. Everyone's staring because they're like, why is he charging at that slow charger? I just want to see if it works. Alright, let's see. Has the black handle. This is like the normal like house charger. Let's see if it'll even charge. I don't know if it will. It says calculating. So I think it's working. Yeah, it works. So technically I could come up here and charge for free. There's nothing that's like restricting parking or anything, I don't think. So yeah, alright. That's cool. I was wrong. It is not free. So I think this thing was saying it was charging like 30 something cents a kilowatt hour. So good thing I didn't leave it there. Let me see. Does it show in the charging stats? I'm curious. It cost me 2 cents. So it's not free. And this is the road we gotta drive up and down. Right? The road is also very squeaky, so when you drive, it's like when you try and back into the parking spots. But anyways, there you go. It's like this ramp here. Going down San Francisco's steep hills. Oh, is the regen braking good enough? Pretty much. Just gotta make sure to stop early enough. Going down another steep one. And just gotta know to let go of the pedal early enough. Alright. Now we're going to flat road.